All right, 2021 is here. It is time for another model build. Guess what's in this box? Nothing. Actually, yeah, this is quite the project in here. Boom. We're going to build the EL1 miniature engine lathe kit from the 1890s. And if you want to see what this thing looks like before it's built, and if we can move this piece of paper right here. There it is. Give you some idea how big it is. Not very. No dovetails, no nothing. And as far as the gear cluster is concerned, well, that's what they give you. Stock. You got to cut it off, you got to bore it, you got to mate it, you got to do what you got to do. Bunch of little cast parts here. It looks like a relatively nicely put together kit. A lot of really small hardware. Super small. 172 is the smallest screw on this thing, I believe. Could be an 080. Only 13 thou difference anyway. This is the headstock. Actually, this is the tailstock. And this is a functional lathe when it's done. You can see there's going to be a little bit of work involved in putting this thing together. There is a faceplate that comes with it. That's the faceplate right here. That is what you call a bare bones faceplate. There's no T-slots. There's nothing in this. So we're going to have to get creative, and we're going to have to put together a T-slot cutter because I just looked in the catalog and couldn't find one that small, so I have to make one. And I do not have a cutter grinder here, so we're going to get creative and do it with a Dremel. You probably appreciate seeing that anyway. And there's a 4-jaw chuck in here too. That comes in kit form. Let me show you the 4-jaw chuck. You're going to like that. There you go. 4-jaw chuck. Some assembly required. I can't wait to get together on this thing. This is going to be a lot of fun. A lot of pieces in there. And I think it's going to make for some very creative setups and some very interesting final product. Looking forward to this one. Stay tuned, guys.